I'm hoping the car's traffic sounds won't interfere, but this is the only microphone, so if you don't hear anything, just listen to the music. But car maintenance 101 for furries. Lord knows some in the Bay Area need it. Whoops. Over top or not? I don't know. Can you hear me? Hello? So let's check the battery. Did you see that? Yeah. Battery's good. Actually has fan belts. Oh, by the way, engine's off. Watch out for this dude. You know, fingers round and round, cut your fingers off. Maybe just a little. Weird label says no used or serviceable parts inside, please do not open. What's going to happen? They're going to call the cops? Actually, it's just a wiring diagram. Do not touch. It says do not touch. Maintenance is a tune-up. It's very critical. Yes, I get heavy-handed. I got it. Okay. Never leave these in there, you know. Like a surgeon used a sponge in the body. These gears goes in there and they get sick, they die. All things. I think we're ready. Next one. I'm ready. I'll have to turn you a bit here. On their title. Believe me, this is my good car. I'm not smashing it. Okay. Audible Bear, Auto Repair by Furries, Furries. More or less. Did I forget anything? Oh yeah. I forgot to steal it. It's not my car, it's hers. Ah! Kidding. Didn't work. Being funny. See. And that's that. That's all, folks. That turns on.